Hi everyone, this is Teacher Mary. Today we are going to answer questions on gradients. Order these distance time graphs from the one showing the fastest speed to the one showing the slowest speed. So in here, the fastest speed is B. Next is D. Third is C. And the last is A. Simply because on a distance time graph, the gradient of the line is equal to the speed of the object. The greater the gradient, or the steeper the line is, the faster the object is moving. Second problem. Copy and complete this table of values for the equation y equals 2x plus 2. So let's first have x equals 1. When x equals 1, you simply substitute 1 to x. So in here, so our equation of the line is y equals 2x plus 2. Substitute 1 to x. So we have 2 times 1 plus 2 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. Therefore, our first coordinate pair is 1, 4. If x equals 2, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So our second coordinate pair is 2, 6. If x is 3, then 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2, y is 8. So our third pair is 3, 8. When x is 4, y is 2 times 4 plus 2 is equal to 10. And there we have 4, 10. When x equals 5, we have 2 times 5, 10, plus 2 equals 12. So the last pair is 5, 12. Now, how do we draw it on a coordinate plane? So draw a coordinate grid from -3 to 5 on the x-axis and -12 to +12 on the y-axis and plot the coordinates. So we have here 1, 4 because this is 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12. And draw a straight line that goes through all the points and extend the line to the edges of the grid. And label with its equation y equals 2x plus 2. Question: what is the value of y when x equals -3? So as you can see in the graph, locate x equals -3. So there is -3 and find the point on the line. Y equals -4. When x equals -3, y equals -4. Our next problem. Work out the gradient of each line segment in the diagram. Let's take, for example, line 4. So the first thing to do is to draw a triangle. So this endpoint, draw a vertical line and measure it. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4. The height is 4. Now let's measure the base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the base is 14. Therefore, the gradient is equal to height divided by the base. 4 divided by 14 is equal to 2 over 7. 2, 7. Remember, for gradient, you are to write the gradient in whole number, or in fraction, but do not write gradient as decimal. Next problem. Draw a grid from -10 to 10 on both axes. Complete the table of values for each graph. Use the completed tables to plot each graph. Use a different color for each line. So let's take, for example, y equals x minus 1, our first equation. So when x equals -2, we have y equals -2 minus 1, y equals -3. For equation y equals 4x plus 4, when x equals -3, we have 4 times -3 plus 4, -12 plus 4, y equals -8. The third equation, y equals -2x plus 3. When x equals -2, -2 times -2 plus 3 is 4 plus 3, y equals 7. Plotting the points on the coordinate plane, y equals -1, x minus 1 is our green line. Y equals 4x plus 4 is our blue line. And y equals -2x plus 3 is our red line. Now, work out the gradient of each line. Our first equation is y equals x minus 1. If it is x, it is said to have a numerical coefficient of 1. Therefore, our gradient is 1. For the equation y equals 4x plus 4, the coefficient of x is 4. Therefore, the gradient of this line is 4. For equation y equals -2x plus 3, the coefficient of x is -2. Therefore, our gradient is -2. Let's have the sequence of y values. -2 minus -3 is 1. -1 minus -2 is 1. 0 minus -1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So the connection between the gradient, the sequence of y values, and the coefficient of x is that they are all equal. And that's all for today. See you in our next session. This is Teacher Mary saying bye.